Hello everyone. In last video we have covered the uses of do, does, did and done. Today's topic is the role of apostrophe. If anyone think that apostrophe is very small thing and it would be all right if we will use this small sign anywhere, then this misconception will be very dangerous as well as disastrous. This small sign can make a big difference. It can change the meaning of the word completely. So while using apostrophe, always be careful. It is normally used to show contraction in word, which means shortening of words by omitting letters from the word. The second use of apostrophe is to show possession, which is used to show ownership of something. First, we will discuss about contraction. Contraction is a term that means dropping or removing some letters from the word, by which word will become short. In writing, the apostrophe is used to show the exact place of missing letters. The contraction will not be used in official work, which appears to be professional in any sense, like offer letters, bonds, academic papers, etc. It is generally used in the informal way of writing or speaking in normal conversation. There is a big role of an apostrophe in time saving. Nowadays, it's sure that while conversation, person will use contracted words in their conversation. For example, you're my friend means you are my friend. Second one, what's your name? It means what is your name? Contraction of I am is I'm, like I'm a teacher. Similarly, some contractions are like contraction with is. He is my friend. It will be pronounced like he's my friend. Here he is will become he's. Similarly, if you want to say it is a phone, then you will say it's a phone. Similarly, if you have to use any name, then we can also say like India is my country. Then you can say India is my country. Some contractions with are. If we will say we are coming, then we have to say we are coming. They are going. Then it will be pronounced in contraction like they are going. Yes. Now some contractions with will. I will be there. Then you can say I'll be there. She will come. You can say she'll come. We will find it. Then you can say we'll find it. Similarly, some contractions with have. Suppose you want to say we have something that you want. Then you can say we've something that you want. Like I have phone. You can say I have phone. Now some contractions with would. Like if you want to say you would be late, then you can say you would be late. And if you want to say it would work, then you can say it would work. Similarly, some contractions with not. This is commonly used by people. Like if you want to say I cannot do this, then you will say I can't do this. If you want to say she will not come, then you can say she won't come. If you want to say I did not like, then you will say I didn't like. Now it's turn for some possession. Possession means the ownership of thing. To show possession, the apostrophe is used to show the belongings to someone. It takes place with the noun. It indicates the relationship between the thing and the person. In singular noun, by adding only one s in the end of word, we can show the relationship between the thing and the person. Like a ship's captain, we mean that the captain belongs to ship. My mother's phone, we mean that the phone belongs to my mother. Similarly, singular noun ends with s or es. In that case, apostrophe is added after the word to show the relationship between the thing and the person. So, these are some uses of apostrophe. For fluency of language, this contraction is recommended. So, please do practice. Thank you.